cooking, Caleb?
Eggs.
And a salad? And strawberries.
And chicken.
And chicken.
And carrots.
And carrots. Are they ready?
Nope.
Nope. Tell me when they're ready.
Uh-oh. That's pretzel's ready.
Your pretzel's ready.
Uh-oh, my egg's ready.
Your cheese is ready.
Oh, no.
I know, it's okay. It's okay, Grayson. That milk is too big to be cooked. Don't put the milk in the blinds. Too big. That's better. No, I said the milk is too big. You can cook your waffle. Okay. Who's a better chef, Mommy or Daddy? Mommy? Mommy cooks better than Daddy? Yes. Does Mommy use the oven or the microwave? Microwave. That's right. Sometimes the oven, yes. Two. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. You guys are sweet. Bye, Grayson. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Kisses?
It's a